Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hannah, I'm a Mama Kamau. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. You'll be the first one to watch. Yes, on today's video, I want to tag you along as I take a nature walk with me and my son, my gorgeous son. Let's do this. Yes, we are taking the nature walk with my son. My son is here with me. You see the view of our place. You see? Okay, let's do this. Say hi! Say hi, guys! Say hi, guys! Oh, please subscribe. Subscribe, please, my people. And we are tagged along with that brother of mine over there. You see him? Hurry up. Okay, guys, here's as we go for the nature walk. Can you show them the view of our places a little bit? Yeah, as you can see our place over here. There's some small green. We thank God for the rain so far, but we need more rain. Well, we are suffering, but anyway, everything we left it for the Lord to do His things. Yeah, show them around as we take the walk. Oh yes, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. We'll be more content after content. I'll be doing beauty work or doing motherhood. Don't be left out. Aish, don't be left out. And this is my gorgeous son. As you can see, my handsome son, mine, mine and only. Oh yes. Guys, we're heading back home. My son has started to disturb. Yes, but we have walked a little bit. Yes, see you in the next video. Please like. Kula. Kamau. Anakaa chef. Kula.
Unahisi ni tamu?
My first mtoto wangu akikula switi for the first time. Muoneni vile amekula. Nini tu mdomo yake.
Chukua.
Vile anakula nikaa shaikula.